this video, we will show you how to record a Google Meet. To record a Google Meet activities, for example, this is my Google Meet activities and I don't show my face, okay? And to record all the activities, for example, if you have meeting and have presentation, you can record all the activities with Open Broadcaster software like OBS. You can get the OBS from obsproject.com and click download for Windows. Okay, there is still a download in here. After the download process is complete, you can try to install OBS Studio, but we need to wait until the download process is complete here. OBS Studio can record activities from our entire screen or just the entire Zoom application. Because Google Meet in here in Google Chrome, so we just can record the Google Chrome activities. How to do that? Okay, this is my Google Meet and install the OBS Studio that we just downloaded. Click next in here. Click next. The OBS Studio software is powerful to record. Even you can using this software to live streams like on YouTube, Twitch, or another social media. After setup is completed, we can click finish and launch the OBS Studio. After you install the OBS Studio for the first times, the OBS Studio is offer you to optimize the settings for streaming or for recording. Because we need just for recording, we can click this and click next. This is resolution you can choose. Click next and we can apply settings. Okay, because we need to record our Google Meet activities, in here actually you can set the sources based on web browser or just window. In here, let's try using window first because this is the most is compatible with any application. Just select your window and click create new in here and click OK. You can give the name of the window whatever you want. And for example, in here we can select Chrome.x. If your Chrome.x is not appear, you can restart your OBS application. You can see there, if you click start recording, it will record all activities on your Google Meet. Okay, to start recording, just click this button. And the number second, I will hit this. You can also using web browser. Okay, and after you click OK, you can select the URL. Okay, if you select the URL, you can just put your Google Meet URL here, but make sure your Google Meet is set to public so the OBS Studio can read the meeting. And as you can see there is Google Meet window in here. And it's better if you have Google Meet application, don't using Google Chrome, just using window capture here and select your Google Meet application for the source of this window. Okay, and in web browser also you can just control how page permission. You can using full access to OBS and refresh cache of current page. Okay, you can click OK. You can try the best for you using window capture or browser, but the most compatible is using window capture because this window capture can activate with most application there are on the internet. And you can start recording by click this button. Okay, after you are done, you can click stop recording. You can see the recording saved to user, and there is directory in here. And this is our records of Google Meet. This is a tutorial how to record a Google Meet. Hope this video helpful for you.